In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to change incoming call gestures. So what you will need to do is open your phone app, click on three dots given at the top right. You'll be directed to call settings page. From here you can easily change incoming call gestures. Click on caller information. From here you can customize profile picture size. Likewise, whether you want to see the phone number of contact or not. If you want to view extra details of the caller or not, you can enable or disable for these options. Then you can head back. Navigate to the option called display while using apps. Now from here you can control how incoming calls appear when you are using other apps. Full screen, small pop-up or mini pop-up. You can select from these options. And once you do that, you'll be good to go. You have just changed incoming call gesture. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.